Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is round 2 of the Prisma seats. This is the passenger seat. It finally came in and I'm expecting it in. I don't know if that shows up on camera, but this thing is I'm checking it all out. And it still looks good. Still has the first one, but I mean, everything looks good. It's just like right there, like literally like right here. Some damage on it, but whatever. We're gonna get started. This should be a simple, quick video. This is a passenger seat. I'm not gonna go into all the details I went into the last one. I'm just gonna put it in because the last video was like 40 minutes, and obviously y'all probably didn't like the 40-minute video, so we're just gonna get right into it. All right, so there it is on my bed. Excuse my bed. There's laundry and stuff. My son's here. There it is. Cat, do not get your furry hair all over this thing. Feels good, just like the last one. The box that it came in was horribly damaged, but it still looks good nonetheless. And there is the bracket, passenger seat bracket. I'll show you how that bracket looks. All right, so here we are. Go ahead, get a look at that. That's the Planet passenger seat. And the difference from the driver's seat to the passenger seat is the driver's seat has these little things on all four sides. The passenger has these right here in the front. So it's definitely different. So please, if you are gonna do this, make sure you get the right ones. I'm not gonna put sliders on this because I showed you last time my sliders wouldn't work. So I'm not even gonna attempt to waste the time on the sliders. All right, y'all, so just like before, same as the previous video when I did put the bracket and the sliders on. Basically the same thing, but let's see. I wanna make sure you get this right. So there we go, it's gonna be just like that. I said these are gonna be up front. That's the front of the seat, that's how it's gonna go. You got to just line your hose up. But obviously I'm doing this with one hand, just trying to show y'all something. But like I said, just like last video, just line your hose up, install it. This seat, so the last seat that I bought came with the hardware with these, but this seat came with nothing. So luckily I have leftovers from last time, so these four should be good enough to put in there. And yeah, so let's go ahead and put the bracket on. All right, so we got our 4 bolts, nuts, 2 washers, regular washer, and the locking washers on the other side. Same process as last time, except for this time I didn't tighten it down. Because so when I put the driver's seat in, the issue I had was the seat belt. So the seat belt, obviously, since it's the passenger side, it's gonna be right here. But the one thing you don't want, you wanna leave some room so you can get over there. Obviously, if you just put the seat belt on and don't bolt it down, if you don't bolt the seat in first before you put the seatbelt in. So put the seatbelt clicker on right there, so then it's easier for you to click it and get it in, because if you try to do it while the seat's bolted down, it's gonna be hard, especially at big hands or fat hands, even long fingers. You're not gonna be able to do it, all right? So with this, basically how you see, like, let's see there, see how it moved? Now I moved it this way, which is going to actually make the passenger seat closer to the door, and you'll have that space right here for the seat belt and in between there, which you're really not going to need that space in between there. You just want to be able to click your seat belt. I'm going to run the stock seat belts for now until I get the bar. I was going to just go ahead and press the button and get it, but I'm gonna wait because I also have to get another 5-point harness. But the most important thing is I have to get this drilled, and the way my schedule is looking, I may not get it drilled in time, so it's kind of pointless to do it right now. So I'll just wait until a later date to go ahead and get this drilled a hole right here, so then I can just easily just unbolt it, hook the belt up into here, put the bar in, and then I'll be good. And then I also have to find a bypass for the seatbelt ding, because I don't want it to ding unless I just say forget the bypass, click the seatbelt, and then stash it into the door, A-pillar of the door, I guess, where the seatbelt's gonna be. Just stash it in there, and then just have it connected so it's always connected so it doesn't ding. So that's one or two ways you can guys go about this. I know I've been rambling and I'm sorry, so let's go ahead. I think I'm gonna leave it the way it is, like that. I'm gonna tighten it down. I just gotta take the passenger seat out, take all the stuff underneath the passenger seat. We'll get to it. I'll show you. I'm not gonna make it a long video like last time. All right, so we're on there. So what I used is a 1/2 inch. This end up there, this end at the bottom. You have more space at the bottom to get this in out, but if you try to do it up here, it'll get caught because there's really nothing but space right there. So use that. And once again, the 732, use that, and it's on there. So all four are on there in the right spot. Now it's just time to go unhook passenger seat, take it out, take the seatbelt components off of it, install it. We're good. All right, y'all, so we're in the back seat now, and we're moving passenger seat. These are the ones you gotta take out, and those bolts are a 5/8. And I tell you, these jokers are on here tight, so I had to go grab a mallet because they are on here super tight. So let me undo these, and I'll take the seat out. All right, there she is. Rip out of there. So something quick, easy. 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's just that clip and that clip to unhook, and it comes on right on out. Need to vacuum it. Probably what I do right now. All right, y'all, so got the second one in there. That's how they look, but there's always a but. Now, bolt 1, bolt 2, and then you got 3 and 4. Now, you see bolt 1 and bolt 2 are in there, they're just only hand tied in there. These two don't line up. But if I line these two up, one of the two up forward don't line up. So I'm trying to figure out which one to bolt in, because I need them to go in there. But I'm gonna have to hammer one Might have to take this out later and hammer one out to get it right. All right, y'all. So driving, just dropped my son off. There it is. Seatbelt obviously is not bolted in. I gotta go to the hardware store right now to go grab a bolt and nut, but it's pretty much in there, man. So you know what they say in all YouTube videos, like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.